In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam API 64.dll not found or missing error on Steam. This is one of the most common issues that PC gamers face when trying to launch their favorite titles, and it usually happens because the file has been corrupted, deleted by an antivirus, or didn't download correctly during the initial installation. There is no need to go to sketchy third-party websites to download individual DLL files, which can often contain malware. Instead, we are going to use the official Steam client to resolve this safely and quickly. If this video helps you get back into your game, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes. To get started, go ahead and open up the Steam application on your computer. Once the interface has loaded, navigate your cursor to the top of the screen and click on the Library tab. This will bring up the full list of all the games currently associated with your account. Scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the specific game that is giving you the DLL error. Once you have located the game, right-click on its title in the left-hand sidebar menu. A drop-down menu will appear where you need to select the option labeled Properties at the very bottom. This will open a new window containing all the specific configuration settings for that individual game. On the left-hand side of this new Properties window, you will see a list of different categories. Look for the one titled Installed Files and click on it. This section allows you to manage the local data stored on your hard drive. Now, look for the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files and click it. When you do this, Steam will begin a comprehensive scan of every single folder and document associated with that game. It compares your local files against the official versions on the Steam servers to identify anything that is broken or missing. You will see a progress bar up here. Simply wait for Steam to finish this process. During this time, Steam will automatically identify that the Steam API 64.dll file is missing, and it will start a fresh download to replace it. This is the safest way to repair your game, because it ensures you are getting the official file directly from the source. Once the verification is 100% complete and the missing files have been re-downloaded, you can close the Properties window. To ensure everything initializes properly, I recommend closing Steam entirely and then relaunching it. Now, go back to your library and try to start the game again. You should find that the error has completely vanished and your game launches perfectly. Thank you for watching this guide, and if it worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.